right now we can see we've got the wall framed up here. We've got backing up here for the future barn doors that are gonna be going here. So we like to make sure that we've got solid backing to attach all that stuff. The team have been working on getting the window rough openings done. We can see here that we have got the new walls framed up. What we did realize just before the end of last year is that we do have some plumbing drainage going in this exterior wall here. And in order for that to happen, we need to fur this wall in. So we lose a little bit of interior space, but that makes sure that we have enough insulation in the exterior wall so that we A, meet code, and B, make this home as energy efficient as humanly possible. We have had the plumbers on site already. They were here yesterday. We have got the drain for the toilet, the drain for the shower, and the piping for the sink here. Over here, we've got drainage here that has had to be redone for the bathroom group upstairs. And we have the water pipe and laundry box installed for the washing machine that is gonna go on the other side of the wall there. We're getting started to frame in new openings for the windows that will be going in upstairs. And as we might have talked about last year in one of our previous videos, this area here is all gonna get framed up so that this space is all one level. By having this be a sunken foyer, it really reduces the amount of things that you can do with this space. Stairs take up a tremendous amount of room in terms of, A, the width of them, and B, what you can do above and below them, right? Like you can't place any furniture, you can't put any closets, you can't do anything. So by modifying how this works here, this is gonna create a far larger feeling main floor for this family. Plumbers were here. We've got our sink drainage. We've got our hot and cold water in. We've got our fridge line in for the water box for the fridge. That's old stuff that's gonna get cut out. Underneath here is the old post. We've eliminated that, and we have now installed this new microlam four-ply microlam beam. So that will now support the house above. That all comes down onto the foundations on the outside, which have all been inspected and approved, thank goodness, by our engineer. So now instead of having this post in the middle of your garage where you open your door and whack it, and it just kind of makes the space more difficult to use, no more posts. The next order of business will be putting a new beam up here and getting rid of this post here, and this will become one door as well, but that will happen sometime later this week, maybe next week. So we had yesterday the district here, they dug up the road. We've got a new water main going to the house here. We also had a new stormwater connection installed, which is that teal pipe up there, and that goes through the house. All of that work got done yesterday, and so now we're just marching this project down the field and getting things done. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Have yourself an amazing day. Stay awesome.